Hi everyone! Welcome to TS5. Today, I am going to show you how to navigate Moodle using your alternative devices like smartphones and tablets. To access the Moodle, you have to download first the Moodle app in Play Store app or iTunes and install it in your device. Once installed, you can log into your Moodle account by entering the URL address of your school Moodle site. Then enter your username and password. By default, enter your student number as your username and password. Then click the login button. After logging in, you'll find your courses and subjects listed below the dashboard. Also in your site home tab under available courses. Select a course or subject to display its content. A typical course homepage displays its course name at the top page and the list of activities and resources in the Content tab. To deliver the topic of the course or subject, the instructor may use different resources like a page. A page displays the contents online within the Moodle site. A file, which content is available for download and can be in different format. Click the Open the file to download or to open a file. Your teacher may also use a folder. This is a collection of related files which are ready for you to download. All you have to do is click to that file. You may also use a book, which is a collection of related pages, and you can navigate within your book using the arrow icon to move into the next page and to the previous page. Your instructor may also use a URL link, which connects you to outside resources. Just click the Access the URL and you will be redirected into that website or resource. So to navigate back to your course homepage after viewing its content, all you have to do is to use the arrow button at the top of the page. All of these activities and resources can be accessed by selecting their link icon in the course homepage. The tools at the bottom of the page are another useful section in your Moodle. Here, you will find links to calendar events. In the calendar, you will be able to view previous and upcoming events. For example, this one, if you want to display specific details, all you have to do is to select that event, and there is also a link to direct you to that activity. You just simply click the Go To activity, and also for the upcoming events, or you can add a new event. All you have to do is to click the plus sign icon to add a new reminder or new event. There's also a notification tab which displays all the notifications of your reminders and new messages. And also there is a message tab or message icon which allows you to connect to your instructor and classmates. So if you want to send a message to your instructor or classmates, just go to this message tab or message icon, then go to contacts, select your recipient, for example this one, and input your message, then click send. We also have the account setting button, so you can log out of Moodle by selecting the change site. So in the discussion forum, the instructor may provide a topic for you to post or respond to, or may require you to comment to your classmates' post. To access the discussion forum, simply click the forum's link, for example, the class forum or discussion, and it will take you to class forums or discussions. Here you will be able to read the forum's instruction, add new forum or discussion. Just simply input the descriptive title for your discussion. Then click the post to forum to save your post. If you want to view, display, or respond to the post, select the title of that post and it will display the content of that specific post. Now, if you wish to reply, you may do so by clicking the reply button, then enter your reply in the message field and click the post to forum. Now, when your instructor requires you to turn in an essay, project, or other similar type coursework in the Moodle, you will use the assignment bin. To access the assignment bin, use the assignment link in the course homepage. So this will take you to the assignment page. Here you will see your instructor's directions for the assignment, the submission status, the submission comments, as well as the information on due dates of the submission. To add or to submit a file for the assignment, all you have to do is click the Add Submission button, then the Add File button, then locate and select your file to be submitted. It is also possible to change the file name of your file by simply clicking the pen icon, and when you are done renaming your file, click the check icon. So to submit this assignment, you just need to click the Save button. So when your assignment has been successfully submitted, you will see the submission status as submitted for grading or not graded. You can also give comments to your submission by pressing the comment section, then click the plus sign icon and write your comment, then click the Save comment, the Save Comment button, and submit it together with your assignment. Now, after submitting your file or assignment, you'll see that the button has changed to Edit Submission. So if you want to edit your assignment or file you want to submit, all you have to do is click Edit Submission. Your instructor may also require you to take quizzes or examinations using the Moodle. So before you start taking the quiz or exam, be sure that you have studied the course material. Because once you press the start button of an exam, the timer will begin and continue to count down until the allowed time has ended. Do not navigate the other pages in the Moodle while the exam is open because it will cause issues in your submission. And lastly, be sure that you have reliable internet connection before you begin. So to start the quiz or exam, select the quiz from the course homepage. Once you click the quiz icon, a page with your teacher's instructions along with information about the number of attempts allowed, the time limit, the grading method, and the attempt quiz now is displayed. So after ensuring that you are prepared enough to take the quiz, just simply click the Attempt Quiz Now button. Then another confirmation page will load, reminding you of the time limit and the number of attempts allowed. Click the Start Attempt button to begin the quiz and to start the time. After starting the attempt, the first page of quiz question will be displayed along with a quiz timer at the top. You can navigate freely in your quiz question by using the arrow link to move into the next page or the previous button to go back to the previous page. Now, to answer a multiple question, you simply select the answer you believe is correct, then click the next or arrow button to move to the next question or item. If you want to change your choice, all you must do is to click Clear My Choice button. And when you're done answering your quiz, there will be a summary attempt. The summary attempt shows unanswered questions and the amount of time remaining. If you skip a question, not yet answered will be shown. The question is a link that will take you directly to a question, so you can edit or change your answer. Or you can also use the Return to Attempt button to change your answer. So after verifying your answer, click the Submit All and Finish button to submit your attempt for scoring. So depending on your instructor setting, this will take you to a review. Here you can see a review of your attempt showing information about each question and answer as well as the result. So when you're done reviewing your submission, just click the arrow link above to take you back to that start page. The page will give you an overview of your previous attempt and will enable you to take the exam again if your instructor allows you to have more than one attempt. So if you want to take again the quiz, you just simply click the Re-Attempt Quiz and it will take you back to your quiz question page. Your instructor may also utilize other resources and activities to maximize your learning. You may use external tool activities that will enable you to interact with learning resources and activities on other websites. Say for instance, this Tap the Math Operator game. So here you will see the Launch Activity button that will connect you to the activity in a specific website. So in that page, you can do the activity. And when done, simply click the X button at the top portion of the page and it will lead you back to your work. Your instructor may also use a feedback activity, which allows you to answer a certain question and evaluation. To submit your answer, just click the Answer the Question button, then input your answer. Then click the Submit Your Answers button. And once you are done with the activity, there will be a notification informing you that you are done or have already completed the activity. Your instructor may also use a survey. There will be Wikipedias in which you can also add your own wiki page by just clicking the plus icon. You input your page title as well as the information about the page. Then click the Save button to save it. So you can navigate within the wiki page by using the arrow button. There's also a glossary allowing students to browse terminologies related to the subject or to the course, and a list of terms and definitions. So for example, if you want to display the definition of the word term, click the word term and its definition will be displayed. To add new term and definition, just click the plus sign icon, input the term and the definition, then click the Save button. So if you want to check your grades, go to the course homepage and simply select the Grades tab. Here you will find a list of your grades for each assignment, quiz, and other activities, and your course total. You may select the specific activity to see the grade details. Questions about your subject, materials, course activities, and grades should always be directed to your subject instructor. So what to do if technical problems arise? Contact your teachers to make them aware of your concerns, or contact the Office of ICT Director for further details of your institution's LMS. And that's it. That's how easy to use the Moodle. Thank you and welcome to the University of Eastern Philippines.